Hello folks, this is a long overdue update for my highly modified L96 Warrior1 airsoft sniper rifle. The new modifications include my new tactical bolt handle and the removable detachable magazine. The tactical bolt handle, as you can see, is made of composite materials from some leftover carbon fiber and resin. The ball broke off, so I had to make my own. It's much better, it's lighter because it is hollow and gives me better leverage for bolt pulls. Much nicer, easier to pull, even with the upgraded edgy spring. And now we focus on the detachable magazine. I found a way to make it detachable, as we all know that the Warrior1 doesn't include a detachable magazine in the stock place, so I modified the body to accept this. The spring is here is for the actual magazine here, to make the magazine more useful. So you can put that back there, locks in, won't fall off. You get your spent magazine. With the magazine in place, you can remove the spare in your dummy mag, put your spent mag there, and you're ready to rock and roll. Pretty clever, huh? The portion here I covered with tape. From experiments, this makes it a little more quieter for in addition to the suppressor. There. So you have a detachable mag in the stock location for a Warrior1 Springer. If you can notice, I also placed a bubble level, which is very important, especially for an airsoft sniper rifle, because of the the trajectory of the BBs go pretty much parabolic. This keeps the gun level when shooting. There you have it. Hope to make more videos soon. Have a nice day.